to tell you please take care of yourself. Then with tears stained eyes I sadly said goodbye as I waved and wished you farewell. Then I think of how much longer I must wait. I look inside myself and feel something new. I wanna stop and grow up a bit. It's all because I'm feeling sad and then I cry. I don't know why. The courage that I need, the power to succeed, gives me the strength to fly. It's all because of when I see my friends, oh my. Every time they're always behind me, pushing me on, lighting the fire in me. Magically erupts, and it's all because of kindness that I feel from people I don't even know. I won't forget the times we shared and our pleasant days, always, and I'll never lose the strength to succeed and the courage to do what I must. Your smile makes my heart explode.
新世界惹かれ合う光